Less than 24 hours ago, a video clip showed up on both Facebook and Twitter showing an individual climbing the border wall. That individual was assisted by the use of a rope ladder and two subjects on the Mexican side. In the video clip, the individual makes it over the border wall and begins to run north into the United States. I'm standing in the exact location where this incident took place, and I will provide you with the information that that video clip could not. The border wall system consists not only of physical barrier, but also lighting, patrol roads, and detection technology. While the physical barrier serves to slow down illicit traffic, the detection technology alerts our agents as to where and when threats emerge. The patrol roads allow for a rapid response. In this particular incident, the border wall system worked exactly as designed. The illicit traffic was slowed down, the detection technology alerted our agents responded, and the subject was apprehended. That subject turned out to be a 16-year-old Mexican male. All too often, criminal organizations exploit juveniles in this regard. Through partnerships with the government of Mexico, coordination is currently underway to locate the other two subjects involved in this incident. Crossing illegally into the United States is a federal crime. Those who violate the law will be held accountable, and there are consequences to these actions.